Welcome to your weekly AI Roundup. This week, the industry reached a critical turning point as AI shifted from simple conversational tools to full financial, legal, and operational autonomy. We start in the United States with one of the most anticipated releases of the year. Former OpenAI CTO Mira Murati and her startup, Thinking Machines Lab, officially launched Inkling. Breaking away from the closed-door approach of major tech giants, Inkling is a massive 975 billion parameter open-weights model designed specifically for deep enterprise customization. Trained across text, images, audio, and video, it gives businesses direct access to run and fine-tune high-level coding and agent workflows on their own terms. Meanwhile, the state of Delaware is taking autonomous technology into uncharted legal territory. The state introduced a proposal for a brand new corporate structure called the Artificial Intelligence Company, or AIC. Operating inside a strict regulatory sandbox, this new entity would allow autonomous AI agents to legally run businesses, sign binding contracts, hold property, and even face lawsuits directly in their own name. As software prepares to operate as independent legal entities, 40 global heavyweights, including Visa, MasterCard, Stripe, Coinbase, and Google, have joined forces under the Linux Foundation's new X402 Foundation. Together, they are establishing a universal, open standard using Coinbase X402 protocol. This infrastructure will allow autonomous AI agents to execute direct, instant financial transactions with one another using stablecoins. On Capitol Hill, lawmakers are moving quickly to keep pace with these self-operating systems. Senator Mark Warner introduced draft legislation for the AI Agent Act. The proposed bill aims to prevent big tech platforms like Amazon and Google from locking users into proprietary ecosystem tools, explicitly protecting a consumer's right to deploy third-party AI agents across any major web platform. Beyond corporate policy, autonomous software is already rewriting the rules of computer science and legacy code. Renowned mathematician Terence Tao demonstrated the power of agentic programming by deploying AI agents to modernize his abandoned 1999 Java codebase into modern JavaScript. Completed in just a few hours, the agents successfully brought 24 math tools back to life while spotting 2 hidden bugs in Tao's original code from nearly 3 decades ago. Public pressures surrounding the economic impact of these rapid advances is reaching new heights. Driven by ongoing corporate restructuring, a new survey revealed that 69% of Americans support proposed legislation from Senator Bernie Sanders. The bill, known as the Artificial Intelligence Sovereign Wealth Fund Act, would require AI firms to transfer half of their equity into a public fund aimed at distributing automated wealth directly back to citizens. Across the Atlantic, European regulators are taking aggressive steps to curb big tech monopolies in the age of intelligence. Under the Digital Markets Act, Brussels issued a sweeping order forcing Google to grant competitors like OpenAI regulated access to its core search optimization data, while opening 11 primary Android functions to rival AI assistants. At the same time, AI adoption has officially hit the mainstream entertainment pipeline. Netflix confirmed to investors that roughly 300 of its titles have already deployed generative AI during post-production. The company highlighted cost-saving measures, including a documentary featuring 17 minutes of synthetic footage used to lower production budgets. However, the rapid spread of open models brings severe technical vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity researchers demonstrated how easily open-weight models can be compromised, proving that just 10 training examples, $100, and 1 hour of compute are enough to inject a silent backdoor into a model. Once poisoned, the system routinely generates exploitable code across unrelated tasks without triggering standard security alarms. We close with how Frontier Labs are trying to survive their own safety testing. OpenAI revealed details on GPT-RED, an internal self-play system engineered specifically to attack its own models. During automated stress tests, GPT-RED uncovered prompt injection flaws with an 84% success rate, completely outperforming human red teaming groups and highlighting just how aggressive automated defenses must become as AI models continue to scale. That wraps up your weekly AI Roundup. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.